I've been seeing these knotted head pins everywhere. Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to make simple head pins. So without further ado, let's get wired. For the fancy knotted head pin, I'm using about 3 inches of 22 gauge artistic wire, and I'm coiling the end with my precision round nose pliers. We'll go around twice, and we're going to finish the wire in the same position where the other one started. We're going to hold it firmly and bring the wire straight up so it's right beside that little end. And then we're going to take the wire and we want to thread it through the coil. So we'll take the end, put it through the coil, and we will hold the end with the chain nose pliers, and then we'll get our nylon jaw pliers to hold the wire just above the coil. At that point we can pull the end of the wire and it will nicely push through the coil, and the nylon jaw pliers will push the coil down so it's really nice and tight and smooth. We can straighten out the wire for the head pin after that. This is how it looks. I will add a 6mm faceted glass bead, a little metal spacer bead, a 4mm round cat's eye bead, another spacer bead, and a 4mm round glass bead. Now we're going to hold the beads down firmly and bend the wire to the left. Get your bail making pliers to form a loop at the top. Bring the wire around so that the loop is centered. Adjust it so it's right in the middle. And you can bring the wire around twice if you prefer. So we're going to bring it around 2 times. Center it, adjust it, hold it firmly and bring the wire around to finish it off. Clip the end with the nipper tool or flush cutters, and we're going to get a pre-made hook, hook it on there, close it up. You can make your own hooks, and here are the finished earrings. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out who is our featured live wire this week. For the folded wire head pin, I'm using about 4 inches of 24 gauge artistic wire. This wire is a little bit thinner. We'll straighten it out, and in the center we are going to use our round nose pliers to make a little loop. Bring the wire to both sides, and then we want the wires to go straight up. You have to make sure for this one that your beads have a big enough hole that you can fit these 2 wires up through the beads. So we have our 2 wires sticking up, it's ready to go, and we will add our beads. This is a 6mm miracle bead, and then we'll add a metal spacer bead, and a 6mm glass faceted bead, another spacer bead, putting them on both wires. Then we have a 4mm round miracle bead. Hold the beads down and bend both wires to the left. Get your bail making pliers, bring them around 1 time to make a centered loop, and bring the ends around to finish it off. Clip the wires with the nipper tool. Pinch in the little pokey ends. Add your hooks, and there are your beautiful earrings. Now we'll make a simple knot for the head pin. We're going to take 3 to 4 inches of 22 gauge artistic wire, and towards one end we're going to make a simple knot. So bring the wire through. We're going to hold one end with the chain nose pliers and the other end with some flat pliers. Hold it firmly and pull so the knot will become tighter. Continue to pull until the knot is as tight as you can get it without breaking the wire. From there, we'll bend the wire a little bit so we can access it with the nipper tool. Clip the end flush, clip the other end. And get your file. You can file it a little bit if it's a bit sharp, or if you don't have the file, just push the end in a little bit without undoing the knot. Now we can add our beads. Hold them firmly and bend the wire to the left. Get your bail making pliers. Bring the wire around to make a centered loop. Hold that loop with the chain nose pliers and bring the end around. Clip the end. Pinch in the little pokey end. Add your earring hooks. Close it up. And there are your beautiful knotted head pin earrings. Today's featured live wire is Christiana. Thanks so much, Christiana, for sharing your beautiful creations from the 10-day scrap wire earring making challenge. Your photos are absolutely gorgeous. Also, thanks for sharing your work in the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. You can find more designs for head pins in my scrap wire earring making ebook. I'll link it up in the description below. You can share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry in the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. Stay tuned each week on Wire Lady TV to watch as I troubleshoot new designs for wire art and wire jewelry. Have fun with these head pins. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.